Welcome to QuizNation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Conversational Quiz. Good morning, how are you today? I am 20 years old. I am fine, thank you. I am a student. I am fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Mary. I am from Brazil. I am an engineer. My name is Mary. Where are you from? I am from Canada. I am an artist. I am 30 years old. I am from Canada. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little. I speak German. Yes, I do not speak English. Yes, I speak a little. What do you do for a living? I am a student. I work as a doctor. I have 2 cats. I work as a doctor. How old are you? I am fine, thank you. I am 55 years old. I am from Spain. I am 55 years old. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have 1 brother. No, I have 1 brother. Yes, I have 2 cats. Yes, I have 1 brother. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. My favorite food is cheese. I see green. My favorite color is green. How many languages do you speak? I speak 3 languages. I speak English and Spanish. Yes, I speak many languages. I speak 3 languages. What are your hobbies? I enjoy playing the guitar and painting. My hobbies are playing the guitar and painting. I like to play football. My hobbies are playing the guitar and painting. What time is it? It is 2 o'clock. It is time to go. It is Monday. It is 2 o'clock. When is your birthday? My birthday is in July. I was born in 1995. My birthday is on Saturday. My birthday is in July. What did you eat for breakfast? I had eggs and toast. I will have lunch soon. I like eggs and toast. I had eggs and toast. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the market. I will go to school tomorrow. I like going to the market. I went to the market. What will you do this weekend? I will visit my family. I went to the beach last weekend. I like the weekends. I will visit my family. Can you help me with this? Yes, I am busy right now. Yes, what do you need help with? Yes, you can help me. Yes, what do you need help with? Would you like some coffee? No, but thank you for asking. I do not like coffee. Yes, I drank coffee yesterday. No, but thank you for asking. Is this your first time here? No, I do not come here often. Yes, it is my first visit. No, I have not been here before. Yes, it is my first visit. How do you get to work? I take the bus. I get to work at 9 a.m. I work at a hospital. I take the bus. What is the weather like today? The weather will be nice tomorrow. It is warm and sunny. It was cold yesterday. It is warm and sunny.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.